Hello, I am Nonna. Today I decided to teach the spaghetti sauce, Sicilian one, very easy and very delicious. And Susie, my daughter, my partner, for helping me.
Hi! I'm so excited. It's the best sauce you'll ever taste in your life.
Yes, in English.
Here we go. Let's get started.
Okay.
Here's all the ingredients. This is all the ingredients you're going to need. It's a super simple recipe. You're going to need 2 cans of spaghetti sauce. 2 cans of tomato sauce, 1 can of diced tomato, tomato concentrate,
A little bit
of that, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, onions, garlic, and basil. So what's the first ingredient?
The first ingredient is the olive oil from Italy.
Virgin olive oil. And you're going to just drizzle it to the bottom of the pot.
Yes.
So about 4 tablespoons of olive oil so it coats the bottom of the pot.
Get the onion to fry, and now we go put a fresh onion and fresh garlic.
It's already smelling so good. Best smell in the world.
Now we go put the sauce. First,
Diced.
that tomato.
1 can of diced tomatoes.
Yeah, like you cook it a little bit.
When she's making the fast version, she used canned tomatoes. In her next video, she's going to show you with real tomatoes, fresh tomatoes.
Fresh tomato, because this is a real
Exactly.
This is a tomato,
They're real tomatoes.
but the other one is fresh.
That's right. This is the fast and easy version,
Yes.
but it still tastes so good.
Now, cook a little bit, and then we put the tomato sauce.
Someday
We put a
I'll
little
bet
bit
I'll be able to cook this as good as
Salt, a
Nonna.
little bit salt, a little bit pepper. Nossa. We stir a little bit,
And you let it kind of like bubble up.
bubble up a little bit.
So you're going to cook it a few minutes before you add anything else.
Yes.
So that the flavors could kind of infuse together.
So we wait a little bit, now we put the tomato sauce.
How many cans are we going to put in there?
2.
Okay.
Two cans of tomato sauce.
You want to put a little bit of water in there, right?
Water, yes.
Let me get the water for you.
Put it in here.
Just a little bit, right?
Well,
How much should we put?
a little bit more.
About
This can't because they have a lot of sauce.
So about half a cup on each
Yeah,
can. So 1 full cup of water.
yes.
Now we're going to put some fresh basil.
Fresh basil.
So like 3 or 4 leaves.
A little bit more.
A little bit more, like
Yeah.
5 or 6.
Yes, because they have a good taste of basil, fresh basil.
It's looking pretty good. Take a little taste.
This is good.
Tasting good?
Yes. This sauce, they don't need to cook too much because they already cooked the tomato sauce and tomato in little piece. So they must not be cook too much.
So you don't need to cook it a long time because
No.
the tomato sauce that's in the can is already pre-cooked.
Just a little bit and they'll cook the onion and the garlic and then it's ready to use.
That's so quick and easy.
So
it's pretty quick and easy.
pretty quick. And then you put a little bit of oil more, like that, and that's it.
And that's it? It's
and
done?
then you have to take the pot with water and salt for cooking spaghetti.
Oh, of course. You can't leave the spaghetti out.
So like this is very easy to make, because it's very quick. When we have a lot of hungry, just we make a little spaghetti, sauce spaghetti, that's it.
Yeah,
A
like
little
the fast.
cheese, very cheese, and that's it.
Sounds good.
Very delicious.
So I ran to Italy, which is an amazing Italian store here in LA, and I got this organic.
Pasta, felicetti the pasta, imported from Italy.
So we're gonna make this one or this one?
Take the pasta. Any kind, whatever you like.
I feel like this one today.
Okay, the felicetti.
So we just let the sauce simmer while we bring the water to boil. So how much salt do you
I
recommend?
like it, 1 spoon.
1 spoonful?
Hey, that's
We let that come to a boil.
yeah.
Now, so now it's
Until
fine.
the water, until the spaghetti ready, the sauce is ready too.
So while we're cooking the pasta, we put that on simmer.
Yeah, that already.
So that was very simple and easy. Took 10 minutes to make.
Oh yeah, this is the most simple.
Yeah.
Can make the pasta when they come to work, running around, so they can have a pasta.
A
Very,
good homemade meal.
yeah, very easy to make.
But it's like fast food.
Fast food. Yeah,
Fast
that's
Italian food.
Very, because everybody loves Italian food. Piace il mangiare italiano. Tutte le nazionalità.
Yes.
So we're gonna let the sauce simmer while we bring the water to boil for the pasta. Yeah.
Bene, per questa pasta io ho usato cipolla bianca perché è dolce. La cipolla bianca leva l'acido del pomodoro e non usa zucchero perché il zucchero fa male. E allora io uso cipolla bianca perché è dolce e uso fresco aglio perché è meglio salutabile di quello secco e allora questo porta più sapore nella pasta. Basilico pure perché è un prodotto che fa bene anche e fa buono sapore pure nella pasta. E sale, pepe pure, olio di oliva importato dall'Italia e allora il mangiare c'ha un buon sapore.
Perfect.
Yeah. So we're gonna put in 1 pound of pasta. The water has to be completely boiling for it to have the perfect cooking temperature.
Questa pasta mezzo chilo, l'acqua deve essere bollente per venire la pasta ben cucinata e dopo che al dente, deve essere al dente questa pasta,
A little bit more?
un poco ancora,
Okay.
no.
It's still.
Mio nipote Matteo ci piace la pasta così, quasi cruda.
Hi Matteo.
Mio nipote Matteo non può essere più cotta di questo, se no non mangia. Quando è venuto qui mio nipote Matteo, la moglie doveva cucinare la pasta per lui, perché doveva essere quasi cruda.
So we strained out all the water, and now we are going to pour it into a big bowl. So that we can place the spaghetti sauce on top. And you're going to do the amount of spaghetti sauce you like.
Yeah.
Some people like a little, some people like it very, very saucy.
In Italia solo si mette la salsa così e dopo se qualcuno vuole di più la prendono.
So in Italy, you only put a little bit, you dash it on top just to make it look beautiful, but you don't saturate it with sauce.
No.
Then each person puts as much as they prefer. I love sauce, so I always put a lot because it's like my favorite part of the dish.
Parmigiano reggiano. Ecco.
Cheers. So good.
Delicious.